Okay, good morning guys. Today, I'm gonna cook ginataang kangkong. Okay, so mao ni atong mga sangkap. Pork cubes, soy sauce, black pepper, salt, and then the coco mama, the coconut milk. I use half of it only, and then 1/4 cup water, and then pork, and then kangkong, garlic, spring onions, ginger, chilies, and then tomato. The pork first, okay? And when it's cooked, you're gonna add the onions, garlic, tomatoes, spring onions. Guys, so the pork is cooked. So now we're gonna saute the garlic. The onions, the ginger, and the chilies, and also the spring onions, okay? Okay guys, so now it smells good. It's yummy already guys. And now we're gonna add the cup of water, and then guys we're gonna add the pork cubes, okay? We're gonna simmer first until it boils, okay? Okay guys, so I'm gonna cover first, okay? It boils nga guys. That one guys, oh, the chilies, the ginger, the tomatoes, spring onions, and the garlic. Oh, it's super yummy na. And the pork is already cooked also. Okay guys, so we're gonna simmer first and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so look at that one. Our ginataang kangkong is done. Oh, it's super yummy guys. Look at that one. Gusto ko na yung ani guys. I love to put in the rice guys. So that's why I put more coconut milk. And my husband love it also like this. And off the heat now. And then I'm going to test it. It's already good enough. No need of putting salt. Okay. So kangkong. If you pero kung gusto mo pinauga guys, okay ra pod. Pero ako ganahan man ko ani na coconut milk. Asa akong bana ganahan siya na coconut milk ibahog sa kanon. Okay. It's yummy. Mahurot gyud ang rice ani. Kay bahog ani oh. Ganahan ko ani mo bahog. Okay guys, so look at that one. It's very yummy. Ginataang kangkong. It's super yummy. So pero kung gusto niyo pinauga, okay, not so much coconut milk. But me, I love that there's a coconut milk because ang sarap ibahog mo sa kanon guys, okay? So if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bro Jack, to my Instagram, The_Bro_Jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.